In this video, I'll show you how to see sent statements in Xero. Now, there are two ways to see your sent statements on a global account. What you need to do is simply head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the second to the last option, which is contacts. Now, under your contacts, you want to click on all contacts. Now, that will take you to the all contacts section. And from here, you want to select the contact in which you want to see if you have sent a statement to them. This will be Jane Doe for me, so simply click on the contact. Once you do that, you want to head over to the bottom and click on history and notes. And as you can see, it will say that on the history and notes, we have sent a statement to this contact. Now, that is one way for you to see your sent statements. The second way is if you have a UK, AU, or an NZ account, you want to head over to the history and notes section. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, under accounting, head over to the accounting tools section. And down below, click on history and notes. Now from here, in order for you to see all of your sent statements, you want to make sure that you are on the correct start date and end date. You can set a specific start date as well as an end date. You can choose a month as well as a year. But on the right-hand side, if you click on the drop down in here, you can choose this financial year. Now on the right-hand side, you want to simply head over to all types, click on the drop down. From here, you want to deselect all, head over to the top and click on the search bar. From here, just simply search for statement. Now at the bottom, you will have the option for statement. On the left-hand side, make sure this is checked. And on the user section, what you can also do is simply add the users in which you want to see if they have sent a statement. On the right-hand side, simply click on apply. And once you do that, you should be able to see all of the statements that were sent. What you can also do is on the type section, simply head over to the search bar and search for history event. At the bottom, if we simply check on this, on the right-hand side, if we click on apply, it will add the note that a statement was generated on this exact day by a user. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.